Let us start with our first quiz of civil engineering. Let us see the first question now. The section modulus of a circular section about an axis through its center of gravity is. We have options: pi d square by 4, pi d square by 16, pi d cube by 16, pi d cube by 32. And the right option is pi d cube by 32, because the section modulus is the area moment of inertia divided by the maximum distance from the centroid to the outer fiber of the cross section. We know that the moment of inertia of circular section is pi d power 4 by 32, no, sorry, 64, and the maximum distance from the centroid is d by 2, that is y max. Now I by y gives that is z section modulus will be pi by 32 d cube, or pi d cube by 32. Let us go to second question. The property of a material by virtue of which it can be beaten or rolled into plates is called dash. We have options: A. Malleability, B. Ductility, C. Plasticity, D. Elasticity. And the right option is malleability. It is metal hammered into thin sheets, and other ductility represents the property of material to be turned into thin ducts or wires. The plasticity is the property of material which allows it to be molded into any required shape, and the elasticity is another property which allows the material to regain its original position after removing the load. Let us see the third question. Wrought iron contains carbon up to dash. We have options: A. 0.25%, B. 1%, C. 1.5%, D. 2%. The right option is 0.25%. Wrought iron is an iron alloy with very low carbon. It is very soft, ductile, and fibrous. It is generally containing less than 0.25% carbon and 1 to 2% slag. The word wrought refers to worked. It is worked iron. It is made by repeatedly heating up, reworking the cast iron. Wrought iron is also called as low carbon steel. You can see the image of it. Let us see the fourth question. Which of the following is a hypervisal rock? We have options: A. Granite, D. Dolerite, B. Dolerite, C. Basalt, D. All of the above. We have the option dolerite to be correct. Hypervisal rock, it is actually a subvolcanic rock. It is an intrusive igneous rock that is available at depths less than 2 kilometers from the crust. Dolerite is available in such type of dolerite is actually such type of rock, and others: granite is igneous rock, plutonic rock. It is solidified magma deep inside the earth crust. Basalt is also an igneous rock, but it is volcanic rock which is formed above the ground from the lava. So let us see the next question. The minimum water content at which the soil just begin to crumble when rolled into thin threads 3 mm in diameter is known as dash. We have options: A. Liquid limit, B. Plastic limit, C. Shrinkage limit, and D. Permeability limit. And the right option is plastic limit. If we see the liquid limit, it is the water content where the soil starts to behave as a liquid. If we see shrinkage limit, it is the water content at which the soil changes from semi-solid to a solid state. It is less frequently used if we compare with the liquid and plastic limits. You can see how it is rolled in the picture. Let us see the question number 6. Bulking of sand is maximum if moisture content is 2%, B 4%, C 6%, D 10. And the right option is B 4%. Bulking of sand is actually the phenomenon of increase in sand volume due to increase in moisture content. It is very important to know because in the design mix, concrete design mix, we weigh the materials. If the moisture percentage present in the sand, then it makes the sand to look bulkier. which may result in inadequate sand proportion in concrete mix ratio. You can see how the bulked sand and saturated sand look like. Let us see the seventh question. Minimum spacing between horizontal parallel reinforcement of same size should not be less than dash. We have options: A 1 diameter, B 2.5 times the diameter, C 3 times the diameter, D 3.5 times the diameter. The right option is 1 diameter. However, when compaction takes place, the minimum horizontal spacing in the diameter of the larger bar or 5 mm more than the maximum size of the coarse aggregate should be there. Let us see the eighth question. A very comfortable type of stair is dash. We have options: A straight, B dog-legged, C geometric, D open well. The right option is open well. This is how it looks like. It is also known as open navel staircase due to its turn, which is 90 degrees, considered to be a very comfortable kind of staircase. Let us see the image here, and there are other types of staircases mentioned in option, right? So this is straight staircase, this is open well again, this is dog-legged, and this is geometric. Let us go to question number 9. Angle of internal friction is least for dash. We have options: A angular grained loose sand, B angular grained dense sand, option C round grained loose sand, option D clay. And the right option is clay, because theoretically the angle of internal friction for pure clay is 0 degrees. These pure clays are very rarely found on the top of the soil. The angle of internal friction value increases with increase in the quantity of sand in the clay. For your information, the angle of internal friction for the clay is usually in the range of 5 to 20 degrees. Last question. Impact strength of the material is an index of its dash. A toughness, B tensile strength, C stability, D hardness. And the right option is toughness. Yes, toughness is the ability of material to resist the impact or vibratory loads. If we see other, tensile strength is the ability to resist tensile or pulling loads. If you see this stability, that is the resistance against overturning, and if you see the hardness, that is resistance against abrasion or scratching. Thanks for watching. We shall meet in the next quiz. Thank you.